Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 questions for 7HR01 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. Collective bargaining refers to the process through which employers and employee representatives negotiate terms of employment. In unionized environments, this is typically done through trade unions, while in non-unionized settings, representative committees or staff councils may be involved. These negotiations determine not only pay, but also other working conditions like hours, holidays, and grievance procedures. Collective bargaining plays a key role in resolving disputes and ensuring mutual understanding. By encouraging employee voice and engagement, the process supports fairness and transparency in the workplace. Understanding the distinction between the two environments helps identify which methods apply best to different organizational structures and legal frameworks. In a unionized environment, collective bargaining is conducted with officially recognized trade unions. These unions negotiate on behalf of employees and are often legally entitled to consultation and bargaining rights. This formal structure helps maintain consistency across the workforce. For example, in the NHS, the Agenda for Change framework sets out pay bands and job descriptions negotiated through collective bargaining. This model ensures fairness and equity while promoting transparency. However, it can be inflexible and time-consuming. Disputes can still occur, but structured grievance procedures and industrial actions, like strikes, are available options. Unionized bargaining often leads to clearer employment standards, but depends heavily on effective communication between management and unions. In non-unionized settings, collective bargaining can still take place through employee representatives, staff councils, or consultation forums. These processes are usually more informal and based on mutual cooperation rather than legal mandate. The emphasis is on consultation and consensus rather than conflict. For example, many multinational companies operating in Europe use works councils to negotiate work conditions. Although not legally binding, the agreements can still influence pay, bonuses, and workplace flexibility. This approach often fosters a collaborative culture but may lack the structure and enforceability of unionized bargaining. It works well where employee relations are strong and trust is high. Both models of collective bargaining have strengths and limitations. Unionized bargaining offers structure, consistency, and legal enforceability, making it suitable for large or public sector organizations where scale demands formal agreements. However, it can be adversarial and slow. Non-unionized bargaining is more adaptable and can promote a partnership approach, but may lack authority and risk employer dominance. For example, in creative industries or tech startups, informal negotiations work better due to fast-paced changes. Choosing the right model depends on organizational size, culture, workforce needs, and legal requirements. In both, the goal is to balance employer control with employee voice in a productive manner. In my organization, a non-unionized collective bargaining model is used. We do not have formal trade union involvement, but employee voice is facilitated through committees and staff meetings. HR regularly engages with team leads to address pay-related concerns and workplace improvements. This approach suits our dynamic work environment, enabling fast decision-making and maintaining flexibility. For example, a recent feedback loop led to the revision of our annual bonus structure. Though the process is informal, management ensures transparency through open channels of communication. While legal backing may be limited, mutual respect and trust play a critical role in sustaining healthy employee relations. This system works effectively for our medium-sized organization, where flat hierarchies and agility are key operational characteristics.